Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 1 going here and here, we have 1 minus 1. You got about 0. Ln number 1, you got about 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So I will concentrate about this one only. So I will put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. Ln A to the power of B equals to B ln A. So this one, we have S ln S. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, so we got first derivative of y over y equals to, we do first derivative of s multiplied by ln s plus first derivative of ln s multiplied by s. So this is about the product rule of derivative. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over s. So s divided by s, we have number 1. Later that, we multiply both sides by y. And we know that y, that is about this one. And now we go back in here. First derivative of this one, that is about this one. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. This one we have 1 over s. And now I will put number 1 going here, here and here. So we have the final answer. This one we have 0. 1 with number 1 we have 1. And this one should be about 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.